Hi, welcome to EQSIS Financial Services Private Limited. Myself Valar Murugan, and it's my pleasure to see you guys watching this video. Okay, this video is to give you some basic instruction like how to begin the practice session. And yes, this is a practice session video. It means this video is applicable for the people who have actually completed a training program. During last 3 days, if you could remember, we had discussed about the the basics of stock markets, lot of terms which we have actually studied during that time. Then we have seen how stock trading actually take place, like when you buy and sell, how it goes to the brokers, to the exchange. Then we have seen interesting concept like business versus gambling, and we have seen how stock trading plays role in it, and how traders actually approach the stock trading, and who makes money interestingly. Then we have seen the types of analysis to understand the price movement, and we have studied the fundamental analysis and technical analysis, and those two concepts, input, process and output as well. Then we have seen interesting instruments like equity, futures, options, especially call options and put options. So on day one we discussed a lot of fundamental aspects, but on day two is where we have actually spent time on analytical concept in detail, technical analysis. We have studied about Dow theory, price patterns, candlesticks analysis, algorithmical indicators, gap analysis. Having completed the analysis on day 2, on day 3 we have get into the intraday analysis, how to identify a stock which are about to move within a day, and we interestingly did this on live market. And having completed the intraday analysis, we got into the practice session. So what happens is, in last 3 days, with a lot of enthusiasm and a lot of interest, we managed to sit tight and managed to complete all 3 days, and a lot of people, and almost all the people, are actually happy while leaving the program. But we also committed that we ensure that you will be in the position to retain the program for a long term. If you really miss this practice session, we are sure that you will not be in the position to retain it. It means our job is completed. Now you have to begin your practice session properly. So this instruction video first will take you through how to do a proper practice, like how to open a website, how to log into it, and where to find this information, all this stuff. And we also made a series of videos which can probably help you to recollect the concept. For a stock market we have a separate video, for a stock trading we have a separate video, technical analysis we have a separate video, for a price patterns we have a separate video. So a lot of videos has been recorded to ensure that to recall you people. So the moment you complete your registration activity, that's a time where you start looking at your recall videos. Having completed recall videos, ensure that you people are doing this with commitment, not just with interest. Okay, if you are really committed, then you have to start taking this activity. Having completed 10 days activity, then you have to send us an email saying that you have completed 10 days in activity, and then you will be getting the day 11 and day 15, day 25, next 15 days, which is more practical. Those activities emails will be getting it through us. So now we will focus how to begin. So I would really tell you one more thing. If you are really hurry in doing any other activity now, it's better you close this video now and you come back to this video sometime later. If you're really having time for next at least 5-10 minutes, then continue watching this video. Okay, it makes a lot of sense, and it really need commitment for you people to begin this. Now what you have to do is ensure that you people are always trade with knowledge and discipline. I hope you people know what is knowledge and discipline, and this is the reason why people are actually comfortable and making money in stock trading. Okay, now it's time to get into the your browser. Ensure that your laptops or system which is connected to this internet, and we advise you people to do these activities using a large screen, especially in laptop, or it is advisable to do it in desktop. A tab and mobile is not advisable when it comes to doing a practices, ensuring that you will be in the position to trade through online technologies like mobile apps. But doing analysis, you really need a big screen. Ensure that you get into the big screen. Now it's time to log into our website, which is www.eqsis.com and /pro and press enter. I repeat once again, It is www.eqsis.com/pro and press enter. And if you really do this, then you can actually see the website here. And this is a platform where we're gonna actually theoretically recall the program, and this is a platform where you actually gonna individually practice each and every concept. And this is a platform where you people gonna forecast and you people post your opinion, and this platform will enable you people to work as a team also. So if you're really interested, this need a lot of self motivation to do this practice. So out of interest, you people have really spent a lot of money in attending this program, and you already spent significant time, and ensure that you complete this with the same determination. Okay, so now it's time to check out this website here, and I'll take you through certain procedures how to start practicing here. Okay, first and foremost, you have to sign up here for free. Okay, without having account in this portal, you cannot do anything. It means the moment you create your account for free, and whatever things you do, it get monitored, and you can actually review it, and you can see how other people are responding to you. So everything is happening through one account. First and foremost, you have to sign up. Kindly see this, the sign up for free, and I've just clicked in it. So if you click, it will take you through a registration page where you can actually type your username, which I'm actually typing my username, VMURUGAN. I'm creating new account here. I'm just giving you a demo how to create new account. I'm actually creating with my email address. I'm typing my password. I'm repeating my password here. Then I'm writing my name here. Then if I complete all this thing, then I can actually press here complete sign up. Just wait for few seconds. Okay, now you got a message that check your email to activate your account. Okay, so it's time to get into your email accounts and refresh your inbox. Now you got this from stock market analysis, activate your account. So if you go to your account, you can find the registration link, the activation link here, and if you click that particular link, and you can find our website is getting loaded with the message that your account is now active. The moment your account is active, now it's time to log into this. You can actually find on top of it, there is a login menu. So you can see the pop-up window, and in this pop-up window, you can actually mention your email address, the username which you have actually created, and with the password you just created some time back, and try logging in. Okay, I got a message that the login successful and redirecting it. Just hold on for a while. Probably it will take you through a page. Look at this, now your account has been created here. Okay, now you could see your account has been created here. Now, before practicing, I'm sure that you already have taken about a 2-3 days of break from after completing the program. So ensure that you recall the program before you approach it. I'll give you the process to complete it. There is no urge in completing all this activity in 1 day or a 10 days or a 15 days or a 1 month. We appreciate that. We also understand, in fact, you people are coming from various background, various professionals are attending the program. In fact, some doctors attending program. We had various engineers attending the program. In fact, we have a lot of public servants are taking up this program. So this would tell us, we understand that the time which you can contribute towards this is less. So it is structured in such a way that you can actually start post your views, and it might get interacted with a lot of people, and you can actually start proceeding later also. So what happens, you just click here menu. You can find this videos and learn day 1 to day 10 and practice day 11 to day 25. Okay, now it's time to get into video section first. Before you start your day one activity, ensure that you come and visit this page and do certain recalling activity, then you go for the particular day and doing these activities. It means, okay, this video is again your instruction video. That's nothing but the one which you are actually watching. And if you scroll down, you could see that the part 1, basics of, back to basics, which is basics of stock market, basics of stock trading and business and gambling. These are the different videos is meant for recalling the program. So if you run this video, it will probably recall the overall concept which we discussed about stock market on this particular day. Then like this, if you scroll down and if you click this, probably you can see something about basics of analysis, basics of technical analysis, and Dow theory, trading instrument. Then you could see about a price patterns here, which is double top, double bottom, flag and triangle. So we have about a detailed videos taking place here. And if you really get this video, the one which is instruction which I'm currently speaking, then probably I would encourage you people to start doing this, because we had older version of practicing the 15 days activity that does not have a community activity, like we cannot join as a team to start practicing. So I would strongly recommend you people to start practicing in this particular website, this portal here once again. Now after watching these videos, not necessarily all videos, at least the first 2-3 videos, after watching these videos, then probably now what we can do is we can actually go back. Okay, this video is actually meant for day 1 stock market. So after completing this video, I go and press this my menu, and I can actually operate this, click the plus icon on your right hand side of day 1 to day 10. If you click this, you can see this is the day 1 activity, which is basics of stock market. Then the basics of stock trading is for second day activity. It does not mean you have to complete all the basic questions on day 1 itself. If you find only about a 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you can extend the day for a few more days also. And this can be done at your own convenient time. Ensure that you are completely available for this to take up the activity. If you don't have a time, it's better you don't touch this, and it is better you stay away from market for some time till you complete this. Now which the basics of stock market, if I click basics of stock market, this is our day 1 activity. If I complete day 1 activity, then I go for the next one. Okay, now I've just loaded the day 1 activity, which is basics of stock market, wherein I could see a lot of questions asked here. What is stock market? Why do we need stock market? What is the difference between primary market and secondary market? What is the role of SEBI? I hope you people now slightly recollecting the terms which we actually discussed in our program. So in order to recollect it properly, it's better you see the recall video which I showed some time back, the series of videos which you could see in the videos column, which to recall the complete program you can see things here. After recalling, if you know what is stock market, then it's time to actually visit this particular page. This is on day 1. You have so many questions to need to be answered. By answering this question, it seems to be theoretical, but it will ensure that you will be recalling it. Without recalling things theoretically, you cannot go and practice things in live market. So I hope you people who have completed my program will appreciate the concept behind the screen and the importance of it. So if you really wanted to practice well, so probably it's time to click here, what is stock market. If you click this what is stock market, it will take you through a page where you have to post your answer specific to that particular question. So now what I do is I scroll down here, okay, and the question asked is what is stock market, and this is a window given to me to answer. So leave a reply to what is stock market. This is a place where I will answer. So my answer will be written by myself. So this is a place where you have to start writing your answers, and this answer should be specific to your what is stock market. Okay, and ensure that you people are writing this less than 3 to 4 lines, and try to recall it. That's more than enough. Okay, And if you really want to add any photos which you want to support, if you really wanted to add any pictures which you really wanted to support your answer, then you can choose here attachment, choose file, and you can choose that any image and you can actually open it. And after completing all these things, you can actually submit here. So whatever activity you are doing here will be actually stored here itself. So next time when you open, you can actually see what is your answer you have written. Okay, then if you complete this day one activity, which is with respect to the first question, then probably I go back once again with respect to the basics here. If you click, it will go back to the same. Now, why do we need stock market? This is your second question on day one itself. So after completing the basics of stock, the what is stock market, then you have to do why do we need stock market. Think about it. We have in fact discussed about the vegetable market from stock market. No, it's not necessary for a company to need a market. It is for retail people. Just think about the videos. Go back the videos where you can get it. So keep answering the questions like this. So okay, the first day and few days, first 2-3 days, the questions are more in number, but do take some efforts answering all these questions. This will really help you people to recall it. If you recall the concept and if you made type once again here, that will ensure that you will be keeping this concept for at least next 3-4 months. By the time you can complete your practical activities and you can start forecasting using actual charts. For next 10 days, you don't really need the analytical platform or a charting platform. All you gonna do is theoretically recalling. Now you are recalling the concepts here, and now about 4-5 days later, look at this, your practice will be more like, okay, if I complete this, the futures and options, basics of price movement. Okay, this is also theoretical work which comes under about a 5th day, which is called as Dow theory. If I click Dow theory, then you can find the concept. Now few questions on Dow theory. It's about a very few questions we had in here. So this day is specific to Dow theory. So it's better you go and check the Dow theory video and recall it. Now come here once again. What is Dow theory? So you have to answer the Dow theory here, and the answer section is actually available here, and you have to type it. If you're not able to see these reply box, or if you're not able to see the videos, the recall videos, it means you're not logged into the portal. Only for the people who have logged into the portal can actually see certain things. Only you people get some privilege to start doing the activities. And if you're not able to sign up for a free, then probably this is because only through referral you can actually open it, or only through people who have a complete our program can actually open it. If you're not able to open it, kindly contact EQSIS and ask for the referral link. And if you are invited, then probably you can sign into it and you can make use of it. But this is absolutely free for the people who have actually completed our training program, and it is our privilege to have you people here. So like this, if you keep doing this, first 10 days activity, day 1, day 2, candlesticks, gap analysis, if you're recalling all this, by this time theoretically you know what is the conditions. Like if someone is asking you what is double top, you know how many duration should be there, and you should be in the position to recall everything comfortably. Then after completing this practice session, it's your time to send us the request to get the instruction for a practical activity as well. Practical activity, before completing this activity, do not get into the practice session. If you start practice session, yes, you can somehow answer the question. I'm using a word somehow. It means you will not professionally practice the market, and you miss certain basic concept. It is time to practice things properly. Okay. So after completing certain videos, we would strongly recommend you people to practice now, and this really need lot of determination. And after completing this activity, do send me email so that I can check out your answers also, and then I can actually respond to you with respect to the practice instruction video, which begins from day 11 to day 25. Okay, ensure that if you're doing this on a routine basis, in a consistent basis, from day 30 onwards you can see a complete transformation. Believe us that as we committed, we bought a we bring significant transformation for you from day 1 to day 3. The same way this can actually bring you a significant transformation from a theoretical knowledge to to an application knowledge. So if you find this the videos useful, I would strongly request you people just share our website link in your Facebook or portal and just write something about our website. Then if you really find it useful, and you can actually add your viewpoints in the below comment box, or you can send a feedback mail so that we can optimize something better for you. In fact, this all efforts has been taken by EQSIS only because of people's feedback. So we always appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching this video, and it is always my pleasure to speak to you people. Thank you. Happy trading.